Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have a good news for you and we will be going through the facts in a bit. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, I did my research before I started this video. So this is all about loan payment extensions or loan moratorium offered by banks to all their customers. Congress has passed Republic Act number 11469, otherwise known as Bayanihan Act. This is to give 30-day grace period, which is only a minimum for all those who has loans. Now we will go into specifics of what those loans are in a bit. RA 11469 is a directive given to banks, quasi-banks, financing companies, lending companies, and other financial institution, may it be public or private. So including government service insurance system or GSIS, social security system or SSS, and pag-ibig fund. Now, this is to implement a minimum of 30-day grace period for the payment of all loans, including but not limited to salary loans, personal housing, and motor vehicle loans, as well as credit card payments falling due within the period of the enhanced community quarantine without incurring interest, penalties, fees, or other charges. Now, persons with multiple loans shall likewise be given the minimum 30-day grace period for every loan. So, klaro na nakasaad dito na dapat walang interest or other charges once na-avail natin itong minimum of a 30-day grace period for the payment of all loans. Kung marami ka namang pagkakautang, you can still avail of this minimum 30-day grace period, and that is for every loan. Now on page 11 under section 4, this is to provide for a minimum of 30-day grace period on residential rents. Again, sa mga nagre-renta dyan, you shall avail of this grace period, considering that your due date falls on or within the period of the enhanced community quarantine. So same thing, this should be without incurring interest, penalties, fees, and other charges. So credit card companies offers loan payment extension or loan moratorium to everyone due to COVID-19. As long as your due date falls within the enhanced community quarantine period, then you are entitled to have the minimum of 30-day grace period. Now, I know there are some banks that has already given this to their customers even before the quarantine period has started. Meron din naman yung iba na nag-start pa lang when they were mandated by law. Okay? Now, just to get into specifics, if you have an RCBC credit card, I believe they do offer a 60-day leeway period. And all other banks like HSBC, Citibank, Metro Bank only offers 30-day grace period. So, it may differ. So, discrepancy pa rin ng bangko yan kung gaano kahaba ang leeway na ibibigay sa inyo. Bangko Sentral has quote in regards to the Bayanihan Act that it includes banks, quasi-banks, non-stock savings and loan associations, credit card issuers, trust departments, corporations, pawn shops, and other credit granting entities under the supervision of BSP. Now, with the Department of Finance, in effect of the grace period, under Section 5.01 is a relief for loans wherein borrowers are entitled for the 30-day grace period without incurring interest on interest, penalties, fees, and other charges. Under Section 5.02, treatment of accrued interest, this is where interest may be paid by the borrower on a staggered basis over the remaining life of the loan. You can also call your respective banks to avail of this loan moratorium offered to everyone. So sana may nakuha na naman kayong importanteng impormasyon tungkol sa video na to. For more information, you can visit the website, that's covid19.gov.ph, or the official gazette.gov.ph. So that's all for me. Keep safe, everyone. Stay at home until my next video.